Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Toyota Kluger KX-R, stock reference number 5559. The shape runs from the 5th month 2007 through to the 2nd month 2014. It has a 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left tail light. Tailgate has 3 small dents, aftermarket Trailboss tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, aftermarket media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.